what's up my people, it's your guy Chris Don, and today we are at the mushroom rock side. So I want us to take a walk and we can see how the mushroom rock looks like. Please, this is my first YouTube video or my second YouTube video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe. So let's take a look inside the nature of these rocks. Yeah guys, it's amazing over here. So guys, let's go. So I have some guys here. So guys, you people should come. So I can see that there's a hole here. So can you pass here and enter? Can you pass here and enter? Guys. Okay, some of you can pass here. So we'll see whether we can meet them. So guys, we are going in whether we can still meet them because the rocks here, guys, giant rocks. This place is this place is, guys, you can see the rocks. We can video them for them too. Guys, please subscribe. Wow. See the guys. There are a lot of yeah. See, this place where you can just hide from. Wow. Giant rocks. Guys, this is nature. This is nature. Nature. This is nature. Wow, the love of nature. As you can see, rocks. Let me see where I can also see. Okay. Oh. Guys, video the rocks for them. So guys, let me also see where I can go. Wow. I'm going with them. Let's see. Huh? Wow. Yeah, I do. Hey. Guys, this place is amazing. It's incredible here. Guys, please subscribe. We are heading towards the mushroom rock and others. So yes. Hey. And yeah, I come. Yo, guys. Yo, as you can see. Wow. This is natural. As you can see. Guys, this place is amazing. This place is amazing, guys. Without wasting much time, I would like to take you to the mushroom rock. What is the name of this place? Wulling. This place is located in the Upper West region, Ghana. Wulling. Guys, you need to visit here. You need to. I just love climbing on the rocks. Yeah. As you can see. Welcome to Wulling. The mushroom rock is over here. Okay, let's go.
Let's go here. Willie. This place is good. Willing. Hey, I get more. Xylophone.
Wow. Guys, this is a xylophone in a rock. As you can hear, different sound different. Guys, this place is amazing, incredible. Let me also hear.
Guys!
Guys, video them to see. Be there for them to see. Why is this place called a xylophone? Because yeah, I can see that it's Gile is xylophone, or yeah, Gile is xylophone. That's a local language which is Dagare. Yeah, Gile is xylophone.
Yes.
So guys, let's move to the other places. See how I'm sweating. Hey guys, this video, hey, see rock. Woo! Giant rocks. Hey. These guys are not, they're incredible. Guys, let's move to the other part.
Xylophone.
Yeah, it's true because if I hit here, it don't have any sound. So how do you guys find out that here is xylophone? Huh?
Motia.
Motia. What is Motia? As you can see, come and see the other one. Mysterious. Incredible. See, as you can see. Wow. Wow. See, the stone is highlight. My people. Hey, my people. Travel makes man better. Whoa. I hope faith moves mountains. I come. I do not climb this one, no. Make I climb this one. Wait. Huh? Love you, Africa. They said there's a rock house here. Guys, all the rocks here are hey, the nature here is incredible. So how do we get here? Where's the road? Yeah. So where will he pass?
Here.
Okay, there's a road here, so let's pass there. Guys, this place sweet, oh. Guys, as you can see, all the rocks are hanging. All of them are hanging. All of them are hanging. See, giant rock. Giant rock. Giant rocks. This is the law of nature. We are heading towards to the rock house. Yeah, that's how the guys call it. The rock house. Rock and roll. Guys, let's enter the rock house.
Wow.
As you can see. Oh, video for them to see. Oh. Video for them to see. Ha! Ha! Wow. Why do you can enter? Come in. You can let them see the view. This one is when I see it, I thought it was the mushroom rock because the way it's shaped, no. But that's not the mushroom rock, guys. As you see there, you can see there's a rock far there. That rock there, no. But that one still, it's not the mushroom rock. As you can see, another rock on there. That one, I would say rock on rock. Yeah, aboba on aboba. Yeah, kuri on kuri. Kujombu on kujombu. B on B. Yeah, any of them you can think of. As you can see there, the mushroom rock is over here. So guys, I'll urge you to subscribe so I can bring more of this lovely nature things. So guys, let's go. Video for them to see. Video. The fresh air alone. Ha! The fresh air alone here, guys. When I come. How you always come? The fresh air alone. It's incredible here, guys. It's incredible here. Yo, this is the rock of thunder. Thunder, Lord Thunder, yeah. Senior man Thunder. So he's heading us towards there.
Willing.
Yeah, that's the name of the place. Wulling Rocks. So we are heading towards to the other mushroom rock before we go to the main mushroom rock. Guys, let's go. Let's go to the.
My name is Evans.
Yeah, Evans.
I come from Willing.
That's his name.
Yes.
So these guys, what they were saying, this place, there are a lot of giant rocks. A lot of giant rocks. Here is Wulling Rocks. How do you say the name is Wulling? Or Wulling.
Yes.
Wow, that's Wulling Rocks. Guys, the first time I just landed here. This Wulling Rocks. There are a lot here, a lot of rocks, different with different art this thing, nature. The nature here is beautiful. So the first time I landed here, as you can see it. Yeah. The first time I landed here, I thought this rock was the mushroom rock. This one there. You can video for them to see. This one. I thought that was the mushroom rock. But they told me that was not the rock. So let's go, guys. Ha! The nature here is incredible. The nature here is incredible. Wulling Rocks. I hope you love Wulling Rocks. So guys, please subscribe. Oh, my people, please subscribe. I beg you, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, please. Yeah, this video will be dropping on YouTube, Facebook, all my pages.
Willing.
Guys, let me hear you say Wulling Rocks.
Willing Rocks.
Let's go to the first. As you can see, it's massive here. It's massive here. So in case you love this channel, please keep supporting. Yeah. As we go move on, I'll keep bringing you more. See, everything here is just see this one. Even this one is incredible. Everything here is incredible. So guys, let's go to them. So how will you call this one? How will you call it? Oh! Guys, that's not all. As you are seeing this rock like this, as I was saying, it's not the mushroom rock. I'm going to take you to the mushroom rock So by all you need to do, please subscribe. Share to your lovely ones. As the way I'm sharing this lovely so we can also oh, I wish you all subscribe. As you can see, this one is still growing. This mushroom is still growing. As you can see, the mushroom is still growing. This rock is still growing. Yeah. So the other incredible thing is that rock, tree growing on rock. How you hear me right? Tree growing on rock. You see it over there, tree growing on rock. Guys, you know we are not, we started from, so we are going to tree. So everything here is incredible. So guys, please keep supporting. We don't have, as I would say, we don't have all the gadgets to do quality videos, but we are trying our best. Yeah, we are trying. In case you can support, please support. Yeah, in case you can support, try and support. Because I know some of you have some of the gadgets, but you don't use them. Yeah, like some of the quality phones with quality pictures. But because you have new ones, so you can support. As you can see the rock there, rock lay on rock lay. Rock lay rock lay on rock lay. You get it? Yeah. So we're going to the listen. The tree grow on the rock. The tree grow on rock. The tree grow on rock. This one will not be like they can do a move. It's not like today work. It's not today work. Yeah. No be today work, oh. Welcome to the rock. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. In the comment section, we would like to hear your thoughts. Here we come. Tree grow on rock. In the comment section, tree grow on rock. Now, so this guy, how will we call this one? Come and video it for them. See, tree grow on rock. Guys. Wow, it's incredible. It's incredible. Keep supporting up. I wish you support. Yeah, because that, as I was saying, we don't have all the guys. See this rock like this. I see. Guys, the rocks here is different from the rocks in my place. Tree grow on rock. Okay. Without wasting much time, we'll be heading towards the main rock, which is the mushroom rock. Yes, okay, so which is the mushroom rock? As you can see, the places I've been entering just to give you quality video. So guys, we are now going to the mushroom rock. The mushroom rock here, guys, the mushroom rock here is messy. I did not, the way I was seeing the other rock, I thought that was the mushroom rock. But they said no, that was not the rock. Until they show me this. Guys, as I was saying, this rock is incredible. I don't know how the nature here. I don't know. All I just subscribe, like. Why guys, you are laughing? I don't laugh. Yeah. So welcome to Wulling Rock once again. And here I brought you by the mushroom rock. Where is it? Ha! Mushroom rock! Guys, come on, let's go around in the mushroom rock. Yeah. As you can see me under the mushroom rock. You see me? Okay, let's go around the mushroom rock so they can see it very well. They can see it very well. They can see it very well. So you can come in here. They can see it very well. Mushroom rock. Mushroom rock, as you can see that down there. Ha! I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Video for them to see. Guys, here's the mushroom rock at Wulling Rocks. All the rocks here. All the rocks here. Drop it at the comment section. All the rocks here are. Drop it at the comment section. So you can video the whole scene for them. The whole scene. As you can see, this rock. I feel like for here for Yo, as you see, your guy Chris Don is here. Yo, I want to explore it for you, all of us to see. Yeah, and witness the mushroom rock. As you can see, you can rest here. You can take your lunch, supper, or even breakfast here. Ah, see, guys, you can enter the dam for them to view. Yeah, you see it, mushroom rock. We are the mushroom rock. From grass to grace. It's not race. Wow, wow, here is incredible. It's incredible. Wow. As you see, from T to Ta, from T to Ta, here's the mushroom rock. Guys, let them see it very well. So guys, in case you have been hearing of mushroom rock, this is how incredible it is. The mushroom rock. So please subscribe, comment and share, so this video can go more viral on your FYP. Share the link. It's your guy Chris Don, and I'm here with Senior Man Tender. As you can see, Senior Man Tender is in the support of mushroom rock and the whole team. Baby, in case you are missing something or anywhere you like us to go, you can drop it at the comment section, so we'll go and let you know. Yeah, this place is superb. It's superb, as I will say. So guys, here's the mushroom rock. You can give them the whole view of it. The whole view. Guys, yeah, it's incredible. Ha! Incredible. Oh, mushroom rock.